Hi guys, here's the tutorial that I promised. I'm dividing it up into different parts. So this one is reading response step-by-step guide on, let's see, yes, the theme paragraph. As you know, theme paragraph is the first paragraph of your response, and there are certain essential components of that one beautiful first paragraph. First of all, you need to talk about what the piece is, essentially. You need to give us the title and the author. All right, so very simply, in one sentence, you can say, in so-and-so's poem, and then the title, and then you give a very brief synopsis as to what happens in that poem or in that short story. Keep in mind that your reader has already read it, okay? So you don't need to do anything else other than refresh the reader's memory. Next, you need to write that beautiful theme sentence. Okay, the theme is that, or in this story, it is revealed that sometimes humans can, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this is where you talk about what the author is trying to reveal about human nature. It's not always pretty. Please don't make it a moral. After that, you have a whole paragraph to explain how the literature reveals this theme. So while the theme sentence is generic and you're not supposed to talk about characters or events specifically, the rest of the paragraph, you need to do that. So you need to now show how is this theme revealed in this story. All right, so you need to take the character, the protagonist, how does that protagonist deal with a certain issue? How might this reveal the theme? Quotes. Can't get away without quotes in this one. You need two quotes that support your explanation. Okay, so within this beautiful and juicy explanation of the theme, bring in some information directly from the text that proves that what you're saying is substantiated and that you're not just making it up. For quotes, they need to be short. We don't want passages or, 2 or 3 sentence quotes. A few words will suffice, especially if you know how to weave your quotes seamlessly into your writing. That's the best kind of way to drop a quote into writing, okay? To write your own words and then mix it in with the quotes directly from the text. And there you have it, theme paragraph.